Find the value of 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. We can take 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. 1 plus cot square A equal to cosecant square A. Cosecant square A. So substitute this secant square A divided by cosecant square A. Secant square A is 1 by cos square A. Cosecant square A is 1 by sin square A. So this will be like this. Here sin square A divided by cos square A equal to tan square B. Tan square A is the correct answer.